Emery, you like the popcorn? Oh, now he's at the box. Do you like the popcorn? Em, tell Dad that there's popcorn on the floor. You like the popcorn? Oh my God. Emery, look at Mommy. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God.